Director, you used a term just now for the gentlelady from California. You said we are in the process of. Actually, no, you said we are, and you said it in the present tense. It's fair to characterize that what you're really saying is we are now in the process of protecting that which has not been previously protected. In other words, since you use the present tense, I'm assuming that before this became very public, protections that will be in effect in the future were not in effect.
Well, we have protection of all of our investigations. Some investigations are protected more than others.
But Director, I just want to hold you to the explicits of your word, if I may. You said it in the present tense. So, is it fair? Yes or no? Is it fair for me to assume that there are additional efforts now underway that will be implemented?
Yes.
Thank you. At some time in the past, was James Rosen a subject of an investigation as to criminal activity?
Not to my knowledge.
Is he now a suspect in a criminal investigation?
Not to my knowledge.
Thank you. So a warrant or any other document naming him as a suspect of a criminal investigation would be false?
Well, I don't think there's such a warrant out there.
Okay, so any kind of documentation that alleged that he was involved in that would be a false statement. I just want to follow up on what Mr. Baca said that, you know.
I think I know where you're going. I see.
Will you get me there?
Yeah, we're not all the way there. The colloquy and questions that you ask, I'm comfortable with. When you go and say that conduct described in a particular entity which could or could not be subject to ultimately prosecution.
But it's fair to say he wasn't a suspect,
no.
And we'll let the words of some document speak for itself.